The generosity and love to the one in need without expecting anything in return is the sign of a great heart. Looking at your love, generosity towards the beggar man proved that you sincerely love your fellow human beings. This country needs a leader who would work for the welfare of all of the nation, not just the ones who would offer and cater to the throne. You have proven that you are the right person to be my successor, promised the king. You see, in life, kindness is more important than wisdom, and the recognition of this is the beginning of wisdom. A heart filled with compassion and love to our fellow human beings is the greatest gift we can give to the world.
Dear friend, that's the message I want to share with all my fellow listeners, viewers. But I will want to extend these kind of things also. See in the picture, there is a man and there are a lot of birds. So I will appreciate if the human being is not only loving the human beings, but their large-heartedness extends to birds, fish, animals and plants. Because these innocent creatures who are very weak, they are invaded and killed and massacred. Because survival of the fittest has been the natural law as Charles Darwin suggested us. So according to me, the man who only loves man is fine, because all the political leaders of this country, they show some kind of pretension that they love the mankind. But generally they are most of the time selfish and greedy people, because they want really to be elected to power by taking the votes from these human beings. But I will consider him as a true great man who really loves birds, beasts, animals, plants, who are not having the power of franchise. So he is the greatest, who loveth the best, not only mankind, but birds, beasts, animals, plants, and of course humans. Thank you, viewers. Love everyone, particularly the innocent and helpless creatures who are living at the mercy of the criminal mind of the human being. Their knowledge has made them cynical. Their greed has poisoned their soul. They have developed a speed, but they have shut themselves in. Machinery that giveth abundance and left us in want. They think too much, they feel too little. And because of these, the life has become violent. Everywhere you see in the whole world, there is sorrow, suffering, grief and pain. So kindness, compassion, generosity has to be extended to every living creature, the birds, every living creature on this earth, birds, fish, animal, plants, and of course humans. That the message of this fakir, beggarly man, Yogi, Brindra Yogi, to the entire humanity. Thank you very much, viewers.